Good morning and welcome to another Oracle recipe. Today I'm going to show you how we can make different type of sandwiches using our high-speed oven Oracle. In the example of today, I'm going to show you how to make a toasted sandwich, where I have, of course, to melt the cheese inside, and then how I need to make also a gourmet sandwich with some salad in. Of course, the salad doesn't need to come out that is completely cooked, but I need only to warm up and crisp up the bread outside. So for making these two recipes, I'm going to make it really easily using my Oracle. But let's get started and let's see how easy it's going to be to make, first of all, our toasted sandwich. As soon as my order comes, as soon as my customer asks me for the toasted sandwich, the only thing I need to do is open the door, insert my product, and then the only thing I need to do is take the recipe, touch it, and I'm already cooking. So in this meantime, imagine how many other activities, how many other jobs I could make it. In the same time, Oracle is now checking all history technology to cook in just 50 seconds my toasted sandwich. So using the microwave, he's now melting the cheese inside. Using the impingement, he's crisping up the bread. And then the convection is giving to the toasted sandwich a really evenly cooked product all over. So just 50 seconds more and the product is coming out. Thanks to the grill that has been placed in the unit, we are going also to have that awesome grill mark that we expect from a toasted sandwich. So Oracle is now calling. The only thing I need to do is to take out my sandwich with the perfect grill mark outside. Now it's just time to cut and serve my sandwich for the service. In a few seconds, my customer can have this perfect toasted sandwich in just 50 seconds. He doesn't need any more to wait a lot of time. Thanks to the microwave, in this case, we melted perfectly the cheese. But in the case that we need to make this other type of sandwich, of course we don't want to have the salad that will be cooked. So we should avoid to use the microwave. Because all our recipes in Oracle are completely customizable depending on our needs, we can also work only with the convection and impingement in order to just crisp up the bread outside. So as I made before, the only thing I need to do another time is to insert my product, close the door, and then with one touch, just click on the recipe. Now, in just 15 seconds, also this recipe will be ready to be served. So another time, I can make these two different sandwiches in just a really reduced space and in just a few seconds. Let's take it out. And also over here, let's see how the bread is crispy as we want it. We can just cut even the sandwich over here and serve it to our customer in just a few seconds. So the waiting time of our pub or of our bar, of our gasoline station, it will be reduced really to the minimum. Having always the best organization ever, because in the meantime that I made this product, I could even make some other activities. I could even take care about making a drink, serving the drink to the customer, and of course, having always a consistent quality of this product. But if you want to know more about what is the potential of Oracle and all the other solutions developed by Lainox, you can just visit at our website, lainox.com, where you can find all the information you need. And I remind you also to follow us on our social media, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, where you can find all the updates and all the development that we make day by day for yourself. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you next time.